Okay guys, this is the Exmark 72-inch Lazer Z XP. We're going to walk around the machine so you take a look at it. It's missing the the pulley covers there, as you can see. We don't have that. There is some light surface rust under the deck here, under the covers. Around the deck, the paint has been touched up, but the deck is straight. There's no major cracks or welds anywhere on the deck. Everything operates well. The spindles are tight. As you can see, it mowed through that thick grass really well. But as you can see, there is some rust under there. There's your serial number, the cup holder, your deck adjustment for your deck height. These are the meters. This is your console with your blade engagement, your key switch, throttle choke, and your fuel shutoffs and switches there. Your parking brake. The seat, it's a suspension seat. It is a little bit rough. You can see these are chipped off on the handles, and around it there's a few tears and whatnot, but everything operates fine on the seat. Underneath, the hydro pumps are clean. We're sure that these pumps have been replaced not that long ago. They don't leak. They are very responsive. These are the larger hydro pumps. The engine starts up and runs great. It's a 31 horsepower Daihatsu engine. It's water cooled, and this engine runs excellent. It does not dog down. It doesn't matter how thick the grass is that you go through. It starts up and runs really well. The tires are in nice shape on the back, probably 80% on this side and 70 to 80% on this side. The front tires are in fair condition, probably about 50%. This one's a zero flat tire, and this one's a pneumatic tire. So it's a good running and operating machine. The hour meter reads 3,478 hours. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me. Thank you.